So we're talking about Writers Workshop today in grade 2. We've had a really fun couple of months working on personal narratives, and the kids just had their celebration this week. We've been extending it throughout the week because it takes a long time to share the stories and to give feedback to the kids. We're giving compliments and we're asking questions so that the kids can get used to answering questions and inquiring more even in Writers Workshop. It's a really unique process, the Lucy Calkins model, because it allows the kids to kind of really get creative in their own way, and we guide them, but they get to really take ownership over how much detail they want to add, over how long they want their story to be. What do they really want to talk about? What is that small moment that they want to focus on?
The wave gets stronger. I like it. I'm scared a bit. After that, we get back to shore.
It's a really fun process that they've been through since we started school this year, and they've really risen to the challenge of being online for most of the school year, but now that we're back on site, we're getting to do this hybrid model of getting to work with them one-on-one, and it's been nice to get to wrap up this part of the unit in person and to let them actually celebrate together and to see their success that they've had and to see how excited they are to share, and even the ones that are nervous, how nervous they are to share. And it's really good practice for them to get up in front of their classmates and to share their own narrative of what has happened in their lives and to share what's going on with them.
Last 2 years, I went to Universal Studio in Singapore with my family.
I'm really enjoying getting to walk this journey with our kids. Thanks for watching.